Hi friends, welcome to another of my Cook Healthy video episodes. I love sharing healthy recipes with you. It's one of my pleasures in life. In today's video, I will be sharing with you two simple healthy recipes made with red beans and green mung beans respectively. Red bean porridge is very nutritious and can be easily made with some very basic ingredients from the kitchen. Mung bean fritters, on the other hand, requires some skill to make, but it's really tasty and very nutritious and worth all the effort. Now, let's start making red bean porridge. Red bean porridge is usually made out of very simple and wholesome ingredients. Like all legumes, red beans are an ideal compound of any weight management diet, whether to promote weight loss or prevent weight gain. Their high protein content makes red beans more satiating. That is, we are more likely to feel fuller longer after eating them. Red bean porridge is done with basically very few ingredients. This porridge is done by boiling red beans to a very soft consistency, then adding the necessary sweetness and flavorings. With just a cup of red beans, we can get several cups of nutritious red bean porridge. Here is how I made my simple red bean porridge. Rinse and soak the dried red beans for at least 8 hours, preferably overnight. Place the soaked red beans with water in a steaming container with about 1 cm of water above the beans. Arrange the pandan leaves. This is to give the red beans a wonderful aroma and flavor. Now the red beans is ready to go into the pressure cooker. I prefer to steam the red beans in the pressure cooker like this, as I get very soft cooked beans, and also it's done much faster. The timing for cooking was about 5 whistles from the pressure cooker, about 20 to 25 minutes. The red beans were all cooked soft and could easily be pressed with the fingers. The basic ingredient to make the sweet red bean porridge is now ready. The next step making this porridge is to boil together the cooked beans with the rest of the ingredients. Add water according to the thickness you prefer the porridge. Add salt to taste, and also some freshly grated ginger. This is to enhance its flavor further and gives the porridge some sweet spiciness. To sweeten the porridge, I am using here rock sugar, as this goes very well with the ginger. Now we have to boil the red beans so that all the sweetness and flavors get absorbed. The sweet red bean porridge is now at the right consistency and thickness according to my preference. If boiling is continued, the porridge will thicken further. I love my red bean porridge slightly thin and runny. Red bean porridge is a great snack to have in between meals, as they are packed with so much beneficial nutrients. Rich in protein, B vitamins, iron, and potassium, plus being low in fat and high in dietary fiber. To make mung bean fritter, the first step is to wash and clean the dried mung beans. Soak 1 cup of the dried mung beans overnight. Drain all the water. Here I am adding pandan leaves to enhance the flavor. I am using the pressure cooker to steam the mung beans together with the red beans in my earlier recipe. This technique saves me a lot of time and energy cooking 2 types of beans at the same time. The mung beans are then cooked or steamed until tender. The mung beans are cooked so soft until easily pressed with the fingers. The rest of the ingredients for making mung bean fritter includes 1 cup grated coconut, salt, powdered palm sugar or any sweetener of your choice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour to thicken the dough. To make the mung bean dough filling, add all the ingredients and mash them to a thick paste. Divide the mung bean dough into small equal parts. Press into round flat shapes. A simple batter is now made with rice flour and salt for dipping the mung bean dough and frying. I am adding here 1 teaspoon of lime water for extra crispiness. The batter should be just thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Now, time to fry all the mung bean dough into mung bean fritters. Dip into the batter and deep fry all the mung bean patties. Turn over when the bottom is done. When done, drain onto a paper towel or a drip rag. When all the fritters are drained out, the next batch of fritters are fried in the same way. These mung bean fritters are super tasty, crispy on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. Yes, you heard every bite. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching and sharing this video. A like is always appreciated. Wishing everyone a healthy and happy life with many divine blessings. And so be it.